Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is connecting with nature. Are you ready? Let's get started. First time try rock climbing.
Hey, Lucy, look, this mountain is huge. Climbing it is going to be awesome.
Oh my, Jack, you know I'm not sure about climbing rocks.
Haha, don't worry, baby. We're just climbing a few rocks. How hard can it be, right?
Famous last words. I bet I'll be hanging on to you for dear life.
Don't worry, darling. I'll catch you if you fall.
Oh no, Jack, don't make me laugh. If I fall, I just hope I don't drag you along.
Calm down, calm down. It's a joke. We have the safety ropes, remember? Now, look at that beautiful view though. Isn't it amazing?
Where? Oh my, it's stunning. The mountains, the trees. It's like paradise up here.
Yeah, this is what I love about mountain climbing. Beautiful nature everywhere.
I'll take your word for it. Just please, don't make me climb too high.
Don't worry, honey, we'll go slow. And if you need a break, we'll just stop and enjoy the scenery.
Oh, I'll definitely need a break after the first 5 steps. But the view is worth it, so let's go for it.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the higher we go, the better the view. Let's conquer this mountain together.
I'll be hanging on to you the whole way up, Jack. Just promise me we'll stop for some great photos.
Deal, darling. We'll take photos at the top and make all our friends jealous of our adventure.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Rock climbing. A sport where you climb rocks. Breathtaking. So beautiful that it takes your breath away. Scenery. The view of natural features like mountains, forests, etc. Your listening question is: why does Jack love mountain climbing? Answer: because of the beautiful nature everywhere. Photography at the waterfall.
Wow! Look, son, we have made it to the waterfall. Isn't it amazing?
Wow, it's beautiful, Mom. The water is flowing so fast. I'm going to take some photos to remember this moment.
That's right, son. Nature photography is a great way to keep the memories. But remember, you need to choose a good angle.
Don't worry, Mom. I know what I'm doing. I'll take the photos so the waterfall looks big and powerful.
Yes, but don't forget to let natural light shine on the waterfall. Light makes a photo look amazing.
You're right, Mom. The sunlight on the water will create some beautiful reflections.
Exactly, and don't forget to take pictures of the surroundings too. The green trees will make the photo more lively.
I'll take pictures of the forest and the flowing water. Maybe add some rocks at the bottom too.
Perfect. Oh, and remember to take close-up shots. Those will look impressive.
I think that shot will be great. I want the picture to make everyone feel like they're standing right here.
Ha ha ha, exactly. If you do a good job, I'll send these photos to all my friends. They'll be jealous of this beautiful place.
Then I'll make sure the photos are amazing. Don't worry, Mom. I'll impress them all.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Waterfall. A natural feature where water flows over a cliff or steep rock. Nature photography. The art of taking pictures of natural scenes and landscapes. Reflection. The image of something seen in a surface, especially water. Your listening question is: what does the mother suggest to make the photos more beautiful? Answer. She suggests using natural light and capturing the surrounding trees and rocks to make the photos more lively. Cherry blossom viewing.
Wow, Ben, look at all these cherry blossoms. They're so beautiful.
I know, Hannah, the pink flowers look beautiful and peaceful. I've never seen so many in one place before.
It's like we're in a dream, isn't it? The whole park is filled with them.
Absolutely. The petals are so soft, and the smell is incredible. I could stay here all day.
Same here. Have you ever seen cherry blossoms like this in your hometown?
No, never. This is my first time. It's hard to believe such beauty exists.
I love how the flowers almost look like they're floating in the air when the wind blows. It's magical.
Yeah, the petals falling like snow. The flowers here are so romantic. I feel like we're in a movie.
Haha, it really does feel like that. Let's take some photos to remember this.
Good idea. I want to capture the moment. These flowers won't be here forever.
Exactly. Let's get some pictures with the flowers in the background. They'll be perfect for my scrapbook.
Great, and maybe next year, we can come back and see them again.
I'd love that. Cherry blossoms are even more beautiful when you share the experience with someone special.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Cherry blossom. The flower of a cherry tree, usually white or pink. Petals. The colorful parts of a flower. Romantic. Full of love or affection. Your listening question is: what 3 words does Ben use to talk about the cherry blossoms? Answer. Ben thinks the cherry blossoms are beautiful, peaceful, and romantic. Sunset viewing.
Wow, Lily, look at the sunset. The sky is turning so many colors.
Oh my, Oscar. It's beautiful. The orange and pink colors are amazing. I've never seen a sunset like this before.
I know, right? That's one thing I love about the sunset. It creates beautiful colors in the sky. It's like the whole sky is on fire.
I feel so peaceful here. The sound of the waves and the colors in the sky, it's like nature's own show.
Absolutely. I love how the sun is slowly sinking into the sea. It feels like time is standing still. I love how sunsets make things so peaceful.
Yes. And the reflection of the sun on the water looks so magical. It's like the sea is glowing.
I know! It's so romantic here, especially with the gentle breeze. It's the perfect moment.
It really is. I'm so happy I can witness this with you.
Haha, I have been loving this scene since I was a kid. Do you want to watch sunset more?
Definitely. We should come back here for every weekend for the sunset.
I'd love that. Next time I will call my friend Bennett to join us.
Oh, Bennett, huh? Can't we just be here alone? Let's look at the vocabulary. Sunset. The time when the sun goes down, creating beautiful colors in the sky. Glowing. Giving out a soft, warm light, often used to describe something that looks beautiful in the light. Magical. Something that feels wonderful and special, almost like magic. Your listening question is: what two things does Oscar love about the sunset? Answer: Oscar loves how the sunset creates beautiful colors in the sky and the peaceful atmosphere. Camping overnight.
Wow, Maria, look at the stars. It's so peaceful here in the forest at night.
Oh my, Tom, I've never seen the stars so clearly. It feels like we're in another world.
I know. It's amazing to be out here, far from the city lights. The forest is so quiet at night.
It's kind of spooky though, but I love it. It's like we're part of nature.
Exactly. And the campfire is perfect for a night like this. It's warm and cozy.
I agree. I love the sound of the fire crackling. It makes the night feel even more magical.
Yeah, just be careful though. We don't want to burn the tent down.
Oh no! I wouldn't let that happen. I'm keeping a close eye on the fire.
Good job. Let's make sure our tents are set up properly so we stay safe tonight.
Yeah, I checked mine already. It looks great. I think we'll have a good sleep under the stars.
Definitely. Tomorrow, we can go hiking and explore more of the forest.
I can't wait. This is the best camping trip ever. I'm so glad we did this.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Camping. The activity of staying in a tent or other temporary shelter in the outdoors. Spooky. Strange, mysterious, or a little scary. Crackling. A sound that is made by something burning, like wood in a fire. Your listening question is: what two things do Tom and Maria enjoy about camping in the forest? Answer: they enjoy the beauty of the stars and the warmth of the campfire. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.